So here, this screen is really worn out. You can see it's already due for replacement. Now, they changed these screens here with a low grade no seam screen. This is a builder grade no seam. And the reason you can tell is because the color, it's grayish. You see, that's a new screen and it's black, and this one's new also and it's gray. This is builder grade. This is the good quality stuff. Now what they did when they repaired this, rather than putting this spline back in, they fixed this screen. They fixed this. Rather than putting this in, they just left it loose. So all of this is just hanging in the wind. You see? Look at this. They did the screen and they didn't do anything with these old panels. So what's gonna happen is this is gonna fall, this is gonna fall, just like that one fell. And this, look at how old this is. That's as weak as it could be. This screen also has to be replaced. These are very worn. Now this is the one we did, and yes, there is a tear here, which we're gonna come back and get this fixed, because that did tear out in that corner. Now we did this one. We did not do this one. We did do this one. This one that's broken is because it's an old screen. You see? This is what's gonna happen to the other side also.